my results with Beurax. I don't do these videos very often anymore. I just do them periodically to share my results with Beurax, because there's a lot of haters out there saying that Beurax is fake, Beurax doesn't pay, Beurax is this, Beurax is that. I've been with Beurax now for 49 days, guys, and I just want to share my results with you. So in earn referrals, I mean, you don't have to refer in order to earn with Beurax, but as some of you know, I'm a marketer. I like to build teams, and from referrals alone, guys, I have earned in 49 days, which is just over a month, $85,496. In structural turnover, meaning the amount of investment in my team already surpassed $1 million, as you guys can see there. I've earned my $20,000 bonus today, let me just show you that as well, because as you move ranks, and I've just moved rank a couple days ago, I'm now a silver partner with Beurax. Let me just show you that. If I go into my partners, as you guys can see that I've got a status now of silver partner. What does that mean is that I am, apart from earning $20,000 in as a bonus, as a leadership bonus, I'm also earning more money now in commissions. As you guys can see, this is the pay plan or bonus structure for leaders in Beurax. As you guys can see, I'm a silver partner now because I have a turnover of $1 million in total investments from my team, and that's in 49 days, by the way. I think that's a tremendous achievement, and that's a $20,000 bonus there. And now I can earn 12% from my first line, 8% from my second, and so forth, down to I believe 17 lines. So let me just show you the bonus, actually, if I may. So as you guys can see, that's $20,000 there, USD. It's only 10:58 in the morning here in the UK. BTC and ETH, that will grow by the end of the day. So that's $20,000, guys, that I can withdraw basically anytime I want. So if I go into statistics, as you guys can see as well, actually let me just show you my bonuses as well, so you guys can see this is all black and white. So I've earned so far $31,000 in bonuses alone. This is without the referrals, this is without my daily payouts in interest, because I've got investments as well. I mean, Beurax is just a money machine. It's one of the easiest programs that I've been involved where I've been paid basically just over $100,000 already in my first month. Okay, a month in 10 days to be more precise. So as you guys can see, in leadership bonuses alone, guys, 25, 23, 7. So that's $31,000. As you guys can see, it's all there in black and white. If I go back to my menu, because I want to show you something else as well. Under statistics, I believe, that's my bonus paid already in 49 days, $31,000. You guys can see everything that I'm telling you. I want to back it up with facts and figures, and not just say it. So under statistics, as you guys can see, that's 49 days that I've been with Beurax. Now the number of partners that that are in my structure are growing daily, exponentially. It's 2,484 partners. Out of that, I've got 1,225 partners who are actually active. What that means is people who actually invested. I'm rank 7 now, which means I'm a silver partner, rank 7, and you need to have $1 million in total turnover, which I have. 49 days in the company. So what else can I say about Beurax? It's a tremendous platform, guys. If you're looking to make some daily money, daily payouts, have some money in a bank on a daily basis, I could not recommend Beurax high enough, because you don't even have to refer anybody to get paid. I'm showing you my account, my commission payments, because I'm a marketer, and obviously I like to build teams, but to be honest with you, you don't even have to do that. You will get paid between 1.4% up to 4.2% a day, just simply by investing with Beurax. They do trading for you, so you don't have to worry about how to trade. So this is the trading platform, guys. You can check all the trades that they do on a daily basis. You can actually download the daily PDF that shows you what trades are there in. But to be honest with you, you don't have to worry about how they make their money, but it's all here. For some of you who understand forex trading, you guys can go on Beurax website and go down the bottom and click on trading platform, and you will be able to see how is Beurax capable of paying daily payouts of between 1.4% to up to 4.2% a day. How is this possible? It's because day trading is very profitable, guys, and you can check here how much money they make on a daily basis. So with that said, just wanted to share some exciting news about Beurax, because some of you watching this video are on my team, so I want to inspire you. So this is not a bragging video, guys. This is a video to inspire everybody either on my team or maybe you are looking to join Beurax. Can I just say that they've been paying me every single day. Those are my withdrawals. As you guys can see, that tick status there in green, it means it's paid and it's in my wallet. As you guys can see, lots of payments there on a daily basis. They've been paying without any problems whatsoever. The money is in my wallet within minutes, sometimes within hours, depending what time of the day I request my payout. But all my payments are there, guys. I've just given you a rundown of Beurax. Hope you get inspired by this video. If you want to obviously be part of my team, which is a winning team. We've got the biggest team in Beurax, by the way, called the A team. We've got a Telegram group. We do daily live presentations as well. So if you want to be part of this team here, a growing team, a winning team that offers you support, by all means, in the description there'll be a link. Click on it.